The one thing I'm being asked about a lot at the moment is GDPR. This is a privacy regulation that's coming into force across Europe on the 25th of May. Now myself, I'm a small business. I have a few hundred email subscribers to my blog. I have thousands of contacts in my organiser on LinkedIn, and even I'm not sure exactly what to do to become fully GDPR compliant on the 25th of May. So I've teamed up with a colleague, Drew Fobbester. He is an expert in cybersecurity and privacy. He's been through the whole GDPR legislation and broken it down into understandable chunks. And on the 16th of April in London and dates after that, he's holding a one-day GDPR workshop. Now I've seen what he's going to present. Not only will you understand why the legislation is coming into place, he'll give you templates you can edit, workbooks to understand if you are already compliant or what are the gaps that you need to close before the 25th of May to make sure you're compliant. Now people are telling me they're spending thousands of pounds on lawyers, they're tearing their hair out going through this legislation and are still not sure what to do. So in one day, on the 16th of April in central London, normally for £995 plus VAT, I'm going to give you a discount of £500, £495 plus VAT. You can spend a day and come away from that day knowing everything about what you need to do to become GDPR compliant. So think of it as an investment. I'll be there myself because I need to know what to do for my own contacts to make sure I'm GDPR compliant. I need to know how as a small business I can be compliant, and if you are a small business or a business of any size, I encourage you to go to the link here and sign up, and again with the code AG500 you'll save £500 off the normal price. See you on the 16th.